My people, how na dey also na dey fine. I want just do this short video. Why e be say some of our people they put pain, joint pain where person gets? Why na be like that? Why be like that? Una know say we lost our beautiful sister Sharon Okpamen about 2 days ago now. Many things just they happen. Many people just they come out. Some people say, I see some video say the man where he born for, why the man not they allow the woman they post the picture the time where they are alive, may he can't tell us this that. Come, you think say everybody not like this social media of a thing? Not be everybody like him. You see person like me where they talk to you so. My husband not like anything where they call social media. He not like him and he no day. Now me just sometimes I go still like Laonia, I beg now, I go still post them. You know like her, not be everybody like her, especially when you be adult. You can do whatever you want to do. Now by to post your husband picture for social media, now people go tell no say love you. Not be by that one. Some people they will be say no, they post your husband picture. Some people they will be say now all the family now there for inside. Good and fine. Now what do you like? What do you like for your for your life? Now what do your family like? You see some people, their children don't be adult. You don't see them for social media. You don't see them for a page. Why? Because if children don't need that, they don't like her. You know if you go for some put. What it be all this? More than let person where be say he don't be a RIP. More than leave her may rest. I be want you wamu. Una what may head call una. I be una no say the family they don't pay. What if they worry on herself? One and not they mind on her business. If you they post your husband, they post your pikin, another one not do, does that mean me say the family not they're not there in love? What it be now? Oh, one of our brother now don't still bring music comments to remember his friend. Or what if you waru? What it be all this? I be no say musician. As me and you just they talk now. Musician just fit enter studio. You go bring music comments. They say maybe it be the wait, make the girl fake by. What it be your own business? What it be your own? Anybody get the way we want to remember somebody where be say lost. If you use that with music, if you use that they cry, if you use that you want to remember that person. What it be now? Oh, one and not they met on our business sometimes. They say travel is a part of education. Most of you know what you're the bottom. Most of you now what can they tell person the way where the person wanted they live your life for inside house. What it be na people? What it be na problem? Person lost the family, he lost the daughter. Una the drag gang like say, are you for real? Una no fit made una business. Do you want way? Even when you even lost a cat or lost a dog, you go still there. They more the thing they pay you. Ama where you might be. Una not get feeling. Una not get. What if una headache? He post the husband. He not post my way born for her. Wait to be your own. You they post your own, then they ask you. Sometimes you know what more than they tell person how the person want to live your life. Because of say you they sleep for social media, all your family they inside social media. Most another person can carry you, can join your own. You not go use your sense. What you be now oh for this thing? That one don't still see one video where I still see. He said now your hand, now you see for the death of this lady. Are you for real? You never see person will drag you. It can no one say you go bring a comment. What is the worry una? People they more say person they lost person where they don't see again forever and ever. Nothing they can do to see that person again, even for 1 second. And you come on live video, come they talk say now person hand now you see. Kaka. If you see a benosu kaka, you go run for you go like berawa. Social media, they say they do something. Nobody want to take they do so. Say on one they do saga or on one they ask question. Then they ask you for your own question. And you go carry that kind of people for man say now your hand now we see for there. E can una me boy what you go bring and come. What if you now? What if you na problem? Una say na chicken die. Now human being then they talk about so. You might be like you. Even chicken self, you know, see and say, you know, call house, you go defend and they go. Who see my who see my dog, who see my you go defend and they go. I'm a woman now, Wadi, and zongu wati or gavan gio. Una witch, una go just the flyer. Our adege. Put something like that for months. Person buy, he never even reach inwhere denohi. You run come and say, now person hand now you see. As you see, they go drag you, they go owe you. If na family where be say, if they really they push, they go put. You never see some family. For that your match where you take talk, they go drag you. I'll see where say a go back because they don't know what it by their picking. As I say, you know, you say you know, but you can't tell them. Why me? Una never see something, una make una just they open and gutter mat, una just say they talk. This one, that one, the other one, the other one. Are you for real? Sit down for live video, just they talk nonsense. What it not make sense? Person buy. People they think the way where they want to the way they want to tell the person picking. Children small, all your own not to stay come for live video, can't do video say na person hand there you see. I been jam your money here walk where the person na buy you go bring and come out. If na some family they go you even when serve to tie. As you know rich you can't talk. Make una try mona still they use this social media for something way good. I use what a beg una. Etu wa ho na the one wanna do tomorrow na go once pass. Come they ask person say why the man not let they let the woman they post the picture the time where they are alive. Now that one then become your problem. You know they post your own husband. Person come they ask you say why you they post your own husband? If another person not post, what be your problem? Person sing gonna walk on the drag and say why be like say this music you fed on you fed the Jesus. What better you make una suffer for all these things one they do. I don't understand the way what social media tell you CMM. Now inside misty day. I know call the ask person say why you not carry your picking come at. I be the dog collect for your hands. Bring her come at it. When I know say when children they don't need something you know fit force them. Why they ready? Gonna bring get as it be. Your husband fit tell you say I don't want to see my picture for there. Not trying. You know go trying. Even your picking self he tell you say not put my picture. As I say na adults. Or go work bezo. Not be lie. Travel is a part of education. No one see they use them. Una just be like so, una still there for inside village. One kind village where we say light not there, internet not there, nothing there for them. What did they do now? More than let this girl rest. Their family still there. They never still believe their eyes. Say this thing really happen. Una know the pain where they dey. Una know the pain where those family dey. Una no know. Wa me wa no ni ya isuko yu waru ya bolu wa hian. Babe. Can you imagine? Come they just say this person wait by now your hand now we see for inside. They go carry you plus the person where you say in hand. I'm a warrior go aba. No one don't tell me no why say we they to wasuma because na night una for doa we una for doa na genege we na te doa me una can't me you can't talk because we know where and now work book by. Wa total the way where una man say wide na so na take and take the talk. Every no man person by now they tell they make now they tell me they do carriage catch off and they tell they play. Now they tell they play. Say maybe you with somebody not they play. You will consider that person ain't buying. I don't understand you now. What did they do now? What did they do now? Now never see some family then go drag you. They go hold you. You never know where you they waka they go. Why do you know an May you carry your family, may you content they do carry cash off. Carry your husband, carry your pikin, take the put for Facebook. If the other person no one put a problem not there. Mona they met on a business sometimes. I know say social media, now everybody business, but sometimes you get where you not go put your mats. Carry your mat come out for there. Not be person where be say joke by. If mama see they cry, if papa see they cry, if family see they say they not believe. Now dream night they make them wake there. Una they use they take they play for social media. Who was this job? What not the job? I go banu waka. Then here we go banu no one waka. Why is that? Wow, bye. You are now with social media now money na they confine. But not be. I want to be your wire gwaligo. Mona suffer defend the money. Mona suffering. Now want too much. Why you sing this thing? Why the man not the comment? When na this one I see say na ik banya. Are you for real? You never see problem. If you see problem, you go wrong. My people, let me share this video. Love and like and share. May her gentle soul rest in perfect peace. Na wama go attorney. Condolence to the family. Wama go attorney. Na wafo na shao. Usi una noro. Leg the pina. That's why I talk courage.